Okay, it's the morning of day 3. It's about 5:25 a.m. and we're trying to hit the trail by 6:15 today because we have a decent amount of miles to go. Lisa and Kit are camped a ways over that way because we rushly put up tents because of the impending thunderstorm. There's Lisa and Kit making their way over. Eating. It's the theme of this trip. Oh god, they're biting through my scalp, but I'm getting this vid.
Your dedication is impressive.
Morale is low, and everyone's in a bad mood because of the mosquitoes and other factors. But there's a really pretty lake right here.
Hey, starting to engage my abdominals.
There's a marmot right there. It's so cute. It's really cute, and it's not as scared of us as they often are. Okay, well, we gotta pass. Are you alive, buddy? Oh god, I'm terrified it's dead.
Oh god.
It looks like it pooped. Oh, okay. Sorry, buddy, we just gotta pass. Ew, he pooped all over the rock. He might be a little ill.
Every struggling smile, every crowded room cuts through the bone like it were made of mushroom. I love to scatter myself on a mountain track. I love a weathering wind on a sweating back.
Everyone had to leave me behind because the mosquitoes are swarming so bad. Can you see them on my hands? But look at that. So beautiful.
Break, and we got a mosquito situation.
This is how you have to eat.
Wow.
Together I sink tonight. A couple of summers ago, we burned from the ground up, and now blackened branches are growing out like a hasty haircut.
Here we are. Snack time. The bugs The bugs have dissipated a bit, so I think morale's a little bit higher.
We're about to do an uphill.
We're about to do a real climb. It might be pretty sun exposed. We just sun blocked up. And we've seen some views that were great.
Beautiful views.
I think everyone's still feeling pretty good right now.
Yep. Talk to us in like 10 minutes when we started walking again.
Oh yeah. How'd it go?
When we're dead, we'll find forever when we're dead. Still, I promise you, I'm not all fair weather. From the sole of my foot to my toe grass feather, we could just spend more time together. Each moment is full and fleeting. Swallowed my heart with the morning greeting. Blood hammering birds bleating. Blood hammering birds bleating. I love to scatter myself on a mountain track.
Okay, we're about 250 feet from our high point for the day.
Not bad.
Found a beautiful shade spot. We've been climbing up. We're still going up this way. Gosh, moods are still quite good.
Oh, yeah. It's a really good day.
It's been a great day. This little marmot, where's my finger? Right there. He's alerting the colony. Hear him whistle? Okay, we think we're at our high point for the day. We're at about 9,600 feet or more. No, 9,800. It's the highest we've been yet on this trip. Woohoo! Thankfully, we got mostly shade on the entire climb up until this last bit.
And it rained on heaven, and it rained on hell, and it drowned the mountain. It filled the well, it filled the well, it filled the well.
We're trying to beat that storm. And we're still going up.
I had tears in my eyes the day the rain came. I was full of surprise.
We're trying to get down to our camp before the thunder gets any worse. Or maybe it's just gonna pass through. That's our biggest hope. But we think we're getting low, so hope. Okay, now it's healing. The hail continues, and even though it's hailing, the mosquitoes are worse than ever. They're biting me constantly. Okay, we are 1.2 miles from where we think we're gonna camp tonight. And we just had to hike in heat, but also rain, hail, and all of our rain gear while being swarmed by mosquitoes.
They're no joke.
I think you can see them flying through the whole
The beat was really helpful,
video.
but not perfect.
And you know, ow, there were multiple times today where I thought there's literally no other place or other thing I'd rather be doing with my time right now.
And then there were times that there was literally nothing I'd rather not be doing.
I wouldn't go that far, but I can think of a few places I might rather be right now.
Worth it? I say yes.
Okay, we sprayed some bug spray, and we're only 0.8 miles from our camp. So I think we have a will to continue again. We're almost at our camp for the night. We're all exhausted. We've barely rested because we keep trying to chase possible thunderstorms that haven't materialized yet. Maybe we'll make it just in time. Made it to the camp we're trying to get to. We just rushed to throw up our tents, and the thunder has commenced. We made it just in time.
We just killed a mosquito in our tent.
Uh-oh. There's thunder. Best timing ever. We just got in the tent. I had to emergency go to the bathroom. We scrambled. It's raining. It's thundering. So glad to be in the tent.
Update. It's raining a little bit. It's actually raining super hard. There's I don't know if you can see water running out there. It's quite wet, and it's a mega thunderstorm. So we're hunkered down, but boy, it's very intense.
I hope it's that. I'm hungry.
Update, we just saw lightning. Rain's picking up. We just saw lightning again.
Our tent is in a puddle, and there's actually
It's like a waterbed. It's really comfortable.
There's a lot of water underneath us, and Kit's gonna go out and try to dig like a trench so the water flows out. Oh, this is very stressful.
There was just a really scary one right over us. My eyes were closed and it lit up my eyes through my eyelids. Holy shit, guys! That was intense!
Tell us what happened.
Well, I went outside and I dug a trench around the tent so that all of the water that was pooling here can drain downhill over there. So I basically just shoveled mud like an insane person in the middle of the thunderstorm and pouring rain. So I'm a little bit damp and muddy, but now I think we will not have to sleep in a puddle tonight.
Update, it's been 4 hours. We've been in the tent. And we're all starving at 6:30, did you say, p.m.?
6:20 when I checked.
It's 6:30 p.m. and it's just still raining and raining.
I've just been in here for an hour.
It's 7:05. We've finally emerged from our tents for the first time since 2:45-ish. And, whoa, it's cold.
Look at that puddle on someone's back.
Here we're going with the Three Sisters stew.
Santa Fe style rice and beans with chicken.
With Fritos added.
Here's our dinner tonight. What do you think?
Yummy. Mine. So peaceful.
Okay. It's our third night out. We just saw a great sunset over this lake.
It was amazing.
I feel good.
We survived.
It was a great day overall.
Yeah.
Kit did reach his all-time low on the misery scale, which was a 6, though, I think.
Yeah, that was hard.
Can't remember why.
He also dug trenches.
Mosquitoes.
Oh, what was your misery when you thought your tent might start flooding?
I was actually on a high when I had to go out and dig trenches.
Kit was digging trenches in the
fun.
lightning.
He had fun.
Yeah.
All right.
Bye.